Hey, welcome back. It's asparagus season on the farm. So for this week's recipe from the farm, I'm going to be making a simple roasted asparagus with some really cool spices that I think you're going to like a lot. And I'll give you some tips about working with asparagus as we go along. Check it out. All right. So asparagus. One of my most favorite spring vegetables. Right up there with fiddleheads. Now, if you're going to be growing asparagus, like if you're going to be getting it for your garden, you're always tempted. You see these like asparagus crowns at I don't know, at your agway or whatever. Really, if you're going to make an asparagus bed, you're making something that's going to last for a long time. So take the time and really like prepare your beds for a year. That's just my recommendation. And then plant your asparagus. Get them ready, do a soil test, keep the weeds down, and then dig deep trenches and plant your crowns. It's the best way to grow asparagus in my experience. And the other thing I'd like to say about asparagus is that a lot of people think that skinnier asparaguses are more tender and more flavorful, but actually thick ones are just as flavorful. If you snap them in the right spot, you're going to get nice flavorful asparagus. I don't want to say that, but size does not matter with asparagus. So get big asparagus, get small asparagus, enjoy it all. Just snap it where you feel that tenderness, and that's the key. Then I'm gonna for this recipe, it's so simple. Tossing with olive oil and then the spice mix, which you can check out my webpage to see the spice mix. But the driving flavor in the spice mix is the sumac, and you don't need a lot of sumac. There's a lot of other spices in there, but the sumac is, you see it on the sides of the road and fields that have been cut down and they've been let regrow. You'll see those tall plants with those cones, those red cones. That's sumac, and it adds this beautiful citrus flavor that pairs so nicely with asparagus. You don't have to put lemon on it. It tastes so good. It's really worth trying out. So I'm just mixing the asparagus, some olive oil, the sumac and friends spice that I got from Stock and Spice, putting it on a baking sheet, a little bit of salt. Then I bake that up. Doesn't take long, 10 minutes, 400-degree oven, and that's pretty much it. All right, the asparagus is done. Here we go. That is so delicious. Wow. Happy asparagus season. So until next week, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good.